Hey everybody, this is Dan Rao. Welcome to MarineMax in Lindenhurst. We are going to go through the 33 Outrage. This is the 60th anniversary edition, as you can see. So let's start all the way up forward. This 33 Outrage is the quintessential fishing boat, geared up with obviously anchor windlass, the remote, ample storage forward, ample storage on the deck. More importantly, full boat locker storage. Full tinted glass, obviously windshield wiper. As we roll through into the center console, you can see the head. You can see the sink. You can also see the boarding ladder as well as the fusion stereo system. Further back to the front of the console, this is a full Raymarine setup, chart plotter, nav, sounder, fish finder, as well as Lenco trim tabs, DTS throttle, most importantly, Mercury's joystick system. This leaning post, comfortable chairs, this Whaler's patented back. There's plenty of deep seat storage. Fish boxes, both port and starboard, as well as a side transom door, aft seating, storage locker for your chum bucket, we'll go back aft, the Mercury advanced mounting system, all your lines, all your pieces, twin 4-stroke Mercury whites, Whaler white to match the hull. This is the 33 Outrage. Thank you for your time.